David Highland here from Highland Property Agents. Just a quick snapshot in terms of what's happening locally in the market. I'm getting a lot of questions about what's happening out there and what kind of marketplace we're in. My view is that we're in a very buoyant market. Things are obviously moving very quickly. Most price points are selling well. I think combination of low interest rates and low stock levels are really fueling things. Those higher price points, we've actually seen an uplift in terms of the values, which we probably haven't seen for a couple of years. I know that from a growth point of view, I've seen a number of these properties selling for far beyond expectations. Our projects are selling extremely well. We're handling about 5 projects at the moment for what we regard as some of the best developers Shire-wide. Most notably, I'm handling 2 projects for Samet Developments, one in Loft at Sutherland, which we've sold nearly 40% of, and we've just launched another project called Bank, which is the old Commonwealth Bank site in Cronulla, which has attracted a huge amount of interest and made quite a stir throughout the local area. Our project called Lantern, which is down on Ewas Parade, down at South Cronulla, we've sold all but 3 units in that development. We've been selling, all the 1 bedrooms are sold, all the 2 bedrooms. We've been selling 100 square metre 2 bedroom units for around 1.5 million, and we've sold about 4 of them. Some of our most recent sales, firstly 2/28 Gunnamatta Road, Cronulla. It's a single level strata property in a duplex development. I've sold that off the plan for 2.85 million in the last month. Another property that we've sold was an oceanfront property down at number 2 Cowra Place, South Cronulla. We sold that within the price guide for an undisclosed amount. One of the great auctions for the group in the last month was number 2 Irvine Road, Carringbah South. We sold that for 1.95. And just finally, one of the other waterfront sales which we've been involved in was number 8 Rutherford Avenue in Burraneer. We sold that for 4.220. The election on the 2nd of July is obviously a key factor in terms of our market. I've had a lot of people ask me lately, what kind of impact that will have on real estate this year. And I think that this election will be different to other election markets simply because it's in the middle of the year. So, on the 3rd of July, once we get the election out of the way, I think that we've got a 6-month period without any disruption. In past years when we've had elections, they've been sort of down the back end of the last quarter, which has kind of been a bit of a speed hump and obviously very disruptive to some of our campaigns. But I think that the back end of this year with low rates, obviously low stock levels, and going into spring, it's going to be a really exciting time for Shire real estate. So whether you're buying or selling or renting, we'd love to hear from you. We've got a location in Cronulla and obviously Sutherland as well. We've got a big team. We'd love to talk to you. We've got Shire-wide reach. My name's David Highland. Thank you for watching.